I invite you now to find a comfortable position in your seats. Shake off any tension that may be disturbing your peace at this moment. And as you feel comfortable, you may close your eyes. Relax and breathe. I am brave. I am courageous. I am bold. I'm reminded of the affirmation in today's daily word. I release fear-based reactions and allow infinite love to fill me. In the book of John, the 16th chapter and the 33rd verse, Jesus says, "In the world you may have trouble, but take courage. I have overcome the world." Jesus came to show us that we cannot attain peace by fighting for it. Myrtle Fillmore, co-founder of Unity, showed us the way to real peace is to go beyond our restless mind to our silent source. It is in the stillness of our hearts where we give birth to consciousness and discover that we are the peace, we are the love that we seek. I am brave. I am courageous. I am bold. I give birth to consciousness of love and peace, and I radiate this consciousness into the world in the silence, in the silence. I invite you now to ever so gently return your attention to this time, to this present moment, and reaffirm with me, I release fear-based reactions and allow infinite love to fill me. As you go throughout the remainder of the day, whatever challenges or opportunities present themselves, remember the words that Jesus spoke to the disciples. In the world, you may have trouble, but take courage. I have overcome the world. Reverend Wendy Craig Purcell, Unity Center in San Diego, provides a just for today affirmation. And in one of the most recent ones, she writes, I practice a mature, life-transforming love. I love myself enough to always recognize my potential while also holding myself accountable. I love others enough to always recognize their potential while also holding them accountable. I release fear-based reactions and allow infinite love to fill me. I am brave. I am courageous. I am bold. And so it is.